Welcome to UIFry. Today we're diving deep into the world of landing pages. Buckle up and let's learn together. But first, let's understand what a landing page is. Type 1. The squeeze page. As the name suggests, its sole purpose is to squeeze email addresses from potential customers. With minimal content and a strong, compelling call to action or CTA, squeeze pages are often used in email marketing campaigns. Type 2. The splash page. This is the first page visitors see, often used to make an important announcement or a disclaimer. They're simple, visually appealing, and usually have a enter site or learn more option. Type 3. The lead capture page. It focuses on capturing information like names, phone numbers, or business details that are vital for future marketing efforts. They often offer something valuable like a free ebook or a webinar in exchange for this information. Type 4. The webinar page. This is designed to promote and encourage sign-ups for an upcoming webinar or online event. It usually includes the event date, time, and benefits of attending the webinar. Type 5. The long-form landing page. These pages offer in-depth, comprehensive information about a product or service. They're often used for high-ticket items, where customers need more information and persuasion. With testimonials, FAQs, and detailed product benefits, they aim to overcome any posse. Type 6. The pricing page. This is where you present different pricing options or packages for your product or service. It's crucial to display the value customers will get at each price point, helping them make an informed decision. Type 7. The thank you page. This page expresses appreciation to users after they've completed a desired action, like making a purchase or signing up. It's an opportunity to make a positive impression, offer additional value, and even upsell or cross-sell other products. Type 8. The coming soon page. This page creates anticipation for a new product, service, or the launch of a new website. A great coming soon page keeps the audience engaged and excited, often with a countdown timer and a way to stay updated. Type 9. The ebook page. Designed to promote and facilitate the download of an ebook. Often these pages offer a free ebook in exchange for contact information, helping to grow your email list while providing value. So, there you have it, 9 different types of landing pages, each with its unique purpose and design considerations. Remember, the key to a successful landing page is clarity, a strong call to action, and resonating with your audience's needs.